Welcome. Today we are exploring the foundational system used in mathematics and trigonometry, the coordinate plane. This system allows us to visualize algebraic relationships and is the stage on which all trigonometric functions perform. The plane is formed by two number lines intersecting at right angles. The horizontal line is called the x-axis. The vertical line is called the y-axis. Just like a standard number line, the x-axis increases in value as you move to the right. The y-axis increases in value as you move upward. The exact point where these two axes cross is called the origin. This is the 0 point for both the x and y values. We denote this mathematically as 0, 0. To describe any location on this plane, we use an ordered pair, written as x, y. The first number, x, tells us how far to move left or right. The second number, y, tells us how far to move up or down. Together, they pinpoint a unique location. The two axes divide the plane into four distinct sections called quadrants. We number them counterclockwise using Roman numerals. This is Quadrant I, located in the top right. Here, both x and y are positive. Moving counterclockwise, we arrive at Quadrant II in the top left. In this section, x values are negative because we are to the left of the y-axis, but y values are still positive because we are above the x-axis. Below that is Quadrant III in the bottom left. This is the only quadrant where both coordinates are negative. We have moved left for a negative x and down for a negative y. Finally, we have Quadrant IV in the bottom right. Here, x is positive again because we are on the right side, but y is negative because we are below the x-axis. Why is this important for trigonometry? Because we define angles starting from standard position. This means the vertex of the angle sits at the origin, and the initial side lies along the positive x-axis. The coordinates of any point on the terminal side of the angle are essential for calculating sine, cosine, and tangent. To wrap up, remember that the coordinate plane is a map divided into four regions. Quadrant I is positive, positive. Quadrant II is negative, positive. Quadrant III is negative, negative. And Quadrant IV is positive, negative. Mastering these signs is the first step to mastering trigonometry.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.